My name is Bjorn Freudenthal, and I work with New Spaces Design Build. We've been around for a little bit, almost 40 years, and we have a tremendously talented small team of remodeling professionals. We have our own in-house design team. We work on every type of home you could imagine. Older Minneapolis homes, turn-of-the-century homes, period homes we call them, 50s and 60s ramblers, which is my personal favorite, and even new homes that are built after 2010. So we run the gamut. We have every type of property. We jokingly, Jen and I, say that we've been in your house hundreds of times, and it's likely that that's true. Many of the home styles and the house styles that we see out there, we've worked in many times, different solutions in each and every one of them, and that's just, what we do. We're unique in a sense that every single detail gets figured out prior to the construction contract, which means that from a pricing standpoint, we don't operate with allowances. To make it really simple, at New Spaces, we figure out the final price prior to contract. Now, if some of these things sound appealing to you, informed decision-making, creative design process, a construction and remodeling team that's been around for almost 40 years, give us a call, shoot us an email, and let's start the conversation about possibilities in your home.